Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pack with the Track Attack package on it in pitch black on black interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. So we've got the nice Dodge carpet mats here in the trunk, and I'll go ahead and flip this up here. And down below there's our Harmon and Kardon speakers. So we've got the 18 speaker stereo in this as well. And let's just close this up. So there it is, Challenger Track Attack package with the matte black spoiler and trunk, as well as the roof and up the hood. Very cool. So we've got LED tail lights on this. We've got the nice chrome exhaust tips down below. And we'll just swing around this side and have a look at the rear wheel. So there's your rear wheel, looks great. We've got the nice Pirelli P0 tires on there and Brembo calipers as well. And there's the matte black striping that goes along there. And here we are at the passenger side door. So we've got nice baseball stitching on the leather insert there. We've got power windows, power locks, and a brushed aluminum look door handle there. We've got WeatherTech factory fit mats that are currently installed in the front. And I'll just let you have a look at the condition of the passenger seat. Looks great. And we've got the TA logo embroidered in. And let's go ahead and pull this forward, have a look in the back seat. So there's your back seat, the Alcantara inserts with leather on the side. And we'll close that up. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. And let's check the glove box. So in the glove box, we have the wheel lock key. We've got the books. Books are there. Challenger logo on the dash. And have a look at the dash while I'm here. Looks good. We'll hop out, close this side up. Oh. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you. Looks good. There's your 392 Hemi sign and our TA logo in matte black. Here's your front wheel. So no curb rash, looks great. Nice Pirelli tires on there, and again the nice Brembo calipers on there as well. Look at the size of those brakes. Awesome. So here we are under the hood. So we've got the V8 6.4 liter engine paired to the 6-speed manual transmission. So the engine is putting out 485 horsepower. We've got the nice cold air intake that goes through the hood up here. So we'll just go ahead and close this, have a look. There's the active intake built into the hood. We also have the hood pins here that are functioning. So we'll put the pin back in. So that just slides in, and then this locks over like so. There we are. And we'll do the same on this side. Perfect. And that one's locked in. So I'll just step back. And we've got the projector HID headlights, LED daytime running lights, and we've got fog lights down below. And we've got the nice, oh there it is on that side, the Challenger and the italic writing. And let's have a look at the hood. See if I can see any spots to point out for you. Do not see anything. Oh, what's this? There's one little tiny mark here, and that's just below the grille. And that's it. So we'll swing around this side. Here's your front wheel. Again, no curb rash, no issues. Nice Pirelli tires and Brembo calipers. And same thing back here. Looks great. So here we are at the driver's side. We've got our power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Again, that nice brushed aluminum look handle and the baseball stitching that goes along the leather there. Here's your driver's seat. So you've got power fore, aft, up, down, and lumbar support, and we've got manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And let's hop in and have a look. All right. So we'll get in and fire this one up. Nice growl to it. So no warning lights, no issues on the dash. We've got 9,071 kilometers on it, so nice and low. On this side, we've got our arrow keys, which will change the settings there on the screen. We've got Bluetooth, we've got voice command, and then on this side over here, we've got cruise control. And down here, we've got automatic headlights, we've got our dimmer switches and our trunk release. On this side here, you've got your push button start. And here's our radio. So we've got USB, USB 2, auxiliary, Bluetooth streaming, and that's through media. If I hit radio, we've got AM, FM, and Sirius XM. We'll go climate. We've got dual zone climate control here. You've got the U apps, performance control, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, performance pages. And if we go controls, there's some quick controls for those things. Navigation, view map, there's your factory navigation. And if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And down below, here's some quick controls, so volume and tune, sport, super track, parking sensors on and off, screen on and off, traction control on and off, quick temperature controls there. And here's your 6-speed manual shifter with leather wrapped boot. And they've got this nice design here that goes around with illuminated cup holders. And in here, there's your 2 USBs, your line in, and your 12-volt socket. So we'll just hop out with this one running and have a listen. Nice growl to it. We'll start at the front. There it is with the headlights on. Sharp looking car. We'll just scan down this fender here for you. Looks great. And this, just to note, this one does have blind spot monitor built into the mirrors as well as heated mirrors as well. Nice rumble. Sounds great. There you have it, folks. 2017 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392 here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.